Guys, welcome back to another video. It's gonna be very, very windy in a second, guys. Some major north winds coming towards us. Look, it's already windy. Trying to see the trees blowing. There it is, guys. It's getting very windy now. Holy cow. I'm recording this on my iPad because my phone has too much storage. There it is, guys. There's the bad boys. Oh, there's a wind. Look at over there, guys. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Holy crap. Damn. I was not expecting this biggest winds. Sheesh. Wow. There you go, guys. Look at all this yellow leaves. Woo-wee! Very, very windy. Look at the trees back there, guys. Oh my god, oh my god! Holy crap. Look at that trees, guys. Look at those trees. Look at the leaves flying. Oh my gosh! Look at this wind! Oh my goodness! Oh shit! That tree's gonna fall someday! Woo! Here we go, guys! Oh my camera! Oh my gosh, it's so windy. That sycamore tree's gonna end up falling, guys. Holy cow! I'm outside recording this and it's about to storm. Why is it getting sunny? Oh my gosh. Woo! Woo! Look at that, guys! Look at that! Woo! Look at that! Oh my goodness! I better go in the garage before I get struck by lightning. Oh my gosh! Woo-hoo! Oh my gosh! I'm gonna get struck by lightning. Well, I was not expecting this bigger winds. Holy crap! That tree's gonna end up falling. Oh my goodness. Look at all those leaves. Oh, my phone's gonna fall. It's gonna end up breaking. Oh my gosh, look at that over there. Oh my goodness! Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at behind there. Oh my gosh. My grandparents, hopefully they're okay because they're probably driving through this right now. Well, they're coming to our house tonight. I hope they're okay. Pray for my grandparents, guys. Pray for my grandparents. Oh my gosh! You can hear the wind from over here and it's all the way over there. bad it is. There's our traverse. Oh, here comes, guys. Here comes. Oh my goodness. Holy cow. It is worse when it's right here. Oh my gosh, it's getting Gavin. All the leaves fall from there.
Get the mom dad. Get the mom dad. Get the mom dad.
Oh, Gavin, no, you don't be saying that.
Mom dad, we gotta deal with it, and we gotta deal with the winter.
Gavin, I heard a tree fall over there. I think I heard the tree fall.
Yeah.
I think I heard a tree fall. Gavin, that cottonwood tree almost fell.
Wait, are we staying?
Whoa! There's a big bang. Oh my gosh. A tree probably just fell.
Yeah, a tree fell.
Yep, I heard it again. That was definitely a tree. That was definitely a tree that just fell. Sorry guys, my brother. Is that a funnel? Oh my gosh! What is going on over there? Oh, here comes the worst winds, guys. Here comes the worst of it again. Oh gosh. My phone doesn't fall. Focus, 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 focus. I can literally hear the worst of it coming. There it is. I'm still outside recording this and I don't care if a tree falls. Oh my gosh! I'm literally screaming right there! Oh, they're right. Oh, yeah, I'm probably gonna get struck by lightning. I'm gonna stay in this house. I'm staying in my garage right now, bro. Oh my gosh! Look how bad it is! Oh my gosh! Oh gosh! I'm sorry for you trees. Look at the oak tree. Look at the willow tree. Look at the cottonwood trees, bro. Oh my gosh. Bro, I swear, if that's a funnel forming over there, is that twin funnels? I feel like that's a funnel. Oh! I just heard something fall. That's a dog barking, actually. I can tell you the trees right now. Sycamore, all the cottonwoods. There's a dead willow back there. Willow, sycamore way back there, and oak. That little one, this little one, that's a willow. I'm praying for the cottonwood trees because those cottonwood trees are going to end up falling. Holy cow. Oh my gosh, guys. I was not expecting this. It was just like calm. And it got like, yeah, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that dead grass. My dead. Never mind. Never mind. It's like Rip said. Never mind. Well, he wants to whistle winds again. Well, I just heard something in the front yard. Damn it. Look at all these leaves, guys. Look at the pear trees. Look at the cottonwood trees. Look at the sycamore. Oh my gosh. There goes again. It's going that way. That's even worse. Hey, why is there a blue sky? Why is there a blue sky coming out? There's a dark cloud that could produce lightning, and there's a blue sky right there. Oh, there goes the wind. Holy crap. Oh my god, that's the worst wind. Oh my gosh. Hey. Oh gosh, there's wasps in here. Oh. Wasps, get out of here. Get out. There, I got the wasp out. Look, you can see the cottonwood trees back there. Look at those cottonwood trees back there. I feel bad for them. I feel more worse than that sycamore tree. That sycamore tree could fall. Oh, there's hail. There's green up there.